Hey everybody, I'm Astrid and this video is divided into parts. One is where I show you my tools and the other where I recommend a tool for teacher and a tool for students. So we'll start where I get the information. I choose three. One is the Times. It's a newspaper in UK. The other is News, whatever, BBC or others. And Wikipedia. For where I change the information or modify and share, I select two tools. One is Blogger and the other is Twitter. My PLN, where I interact with others. For objects that are shared are YouTube. For experience and activities for shared, I select Dropbox and Drive. And the last is the personal relationships. I prefer the social networks like Facebook, Instagram, Skype, and others. Here, I start with the second part. The tools I select for teacher and for student. So for teacher, I select Edmood because it's free. The teachers can share homeworks and worksheets with the students, and can post a quiz and poll, and it's very easy to use. Finally, the tool for students, I select Learning English Free. In this web, you can find new vocabulary, improve listening skill, speaking skill, reading skill, writing skill, grammar, vocabulary, spelling, and others. Also had chat and games. It's easy to use and is free. My reflection is why the ECT are important, because through them we can easily find information, and we can also interact with others to facilitate and help to improve our learning. So thank you so much. Bye.